Hello children, I am dealing today with 8th standard first poem, that is Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming, written by Ellen Fisher. So all of you please open your textbook, English textbook. Before starting, we will see some information of writer. Ellen Fisher was born September 9th, 1906 and she died on December 2nd, 2002. She was an American writer and she wrote many poems, which are frequently used in our textbooks. In 1978, she was awarded the second National Council of Teachers of English Award. This much is the introduction of the writer and what the writer is trying to tell you in this poem and what she is giving you the message, that when you have a will, if you have thought of any will, then there is a way. Yes or no? We will do it. How we will do that? If we want to get the succeed in that, means we have to work hard. That only is there in this poem. Let us go in detail line by line. First line, Benjamin Jones in confident tones told his wife on the 4th of July. What did Benjamin John do? He was very much confident. He was in a confident and he was very much sure that he is going to win. He is very sure about that. In a low voice, he will tell to his wife. That is on 4th of July. What he will tell on 4th of July, what is there he will tell, we'll see in the next line. I think I'll compute in the free for all meet. I bet I can win if I try. See, on this what he is going to what he is telling, that there is a competition. The competition name is free for all meet, which is open to everyone. Everyone can participate in this competition. On which date it is held? It is held on 4th July. That is held on 4th July. And he is much confident that he will win and he is betting to his wife, to her wife. What he is betting, that I will win in this competition. So he is telling to his wife very confidently that if he tries, he can win. Hope you understood this 4 lines. Next. But his wife said, my word, how very absurd. You haven't gone swimming for years. See here. Here you come to know that it was a swimming competition. Which competition it is? It is a swimming competition. And what is the name of that competition? Free for all meet. And when it is going to held? It is going to held on 4th of July. So here his wife is completely disturbed. Why she is completely disturbed here? Because from many years he has not gone for the swimming and he doesn't know to swim properly. So she is very much disturbed here. Here my word. What is my word? Here it is the usage of exclamatory mark. Yes or no? You can see the exclamatory mark here. Yes. It is the usage of exclamatory mark. And she is not very much satisfied of his decision. Why? Because he had not gone for the swimming practice and she is telling that absurd. What is the meaning of absurd here? Absurd means it is the foolishness. Okay, you are doing the foolishness, so you don't go for the competition. She is telling to his husband. Okay, you haven't gone swimming for years. You have not gone for the swimming, so you don't go for the competition, she is telling here. With others so fast, you are sure to be last, and I will blush to the tip of my ears. See, again what she is telling there. There so many swimmers will be. There they will be very fast in swimming and they will be much trained. Okay, so I am very sure that you will be last. Okay, she is telling I am very much 100% sure that you will be last. What is the meaning of blush? Blush is feeling shy. She is feeling shy also, and she is feeling angry also on him. Why? Because he is going to take part in the swimming competition. What she is telling, I know it is not easy to compute, so I will be ashamed from other people, she is telling to her husband. Okay, next. Well, the fourth quickly came, and waiting acclaim, where wonderful swimmers glow. See here, there were many swimmers. They were waiting for the swimming competition to begin, to start. Acclaim, what is the meaning of acclaim? Means waiting. Okay, waiting for the praise. Praise means here to cheer up. There the people to watch, they had come, no? The swimmers wanted those people to praise them, to encourage them. Okay, to the participate in the competition. They were all wonderful experienced swimmers. Glow. What is the meaning of glow? Means abundance. Abundance means many people. Okay, there were the people also who had come for the watch, for the swimming. Even they also were many, and the swimmers who are going to take part in the competition, even they were also very much. They were in more numbers. Okay, each possessed in his place for the start of the race, while spectators crowded the shore. See here, all were ready there. Okay, they were waiting for the race to start. The competitors were ready. They were ready to play the competition. Many spectators. What is the meaning of spectators here? Means it is the many people had come to watch the competition. Okay, they were also more. Hope you have understood till here. Next line. The contest began, and Benzi, poor man, was passed on the left and right. Okay, and finally the competition was started. So once the swimming competition started, Benji, who did not participate once also, he did not take part in the swimming competition once also. This was the first time he was going to take part. He was left behind. He was left behind by many competitors. Okay, all the competitors put him back and they went in front of him. From left side also many competitors put him back, and from the right side also they put, and the Benjamin was at the last. Here are some rhyming words for you. You just mark. Okay. First line, John's, tones, compute, meet, word, absurd, fast, last, then began, man, and left and right. These are some rhyming words. You just mark it. His face was slow that a crab saw his toe and thought it would venture a bite. See here, the speed of him was very slow. Okay, while he was going very slow, at that time the crab was there in that water. The crab saw his toe. Okay, it saw and the crab wanted to bite his toe. What is the meaning of venture? Venture means wanted to bite his toe. Understood? Next two lines. Ben noticed the crab as it started to grab, and perhaps the result can be guessed. See here. When you see the crab or tiger, anything come in front of you, you know what is the result of that. Yes, you start running. Okay, so like that only, when the crab was coming forward towards him to bite his toe, when he noticed that, okay, when Benjamin noticed that when the crab is coming near to him and it is going to bite him. When he came to know that, so he was tensed. He was very much tensed. So now you can guess what is the result of that. What can be happened at that time. Okay. Next, the thought of his toe in the claw of his foe made him swim like a swimmer possessed. See here, what a wonderful line it is. So now he was in the thought that what had happened to his toe. The crab is going to bite me. He is thinking of that and he was very sure the crab was going 100%ly it is going to bite. Okay, his toe claw means it is a sharp nails. Okay, foe means it is the enemy. Who is the enemy here? The crab is considered as enemy. Whose enemy? It is the enemy of Benjamin. Okay, by seeing that, he changed in the way of swimming as if a natural power he gained within him and started swimming very fast. Even though swimmers had gone first, like a fast swimmer, he started swimming as if he got a natural power. Okay, and the crowd on the shore sent up a great roar as Ben took the lead in the dash. Their share is there, no? That is not a share, it is the shore. S-H-O-R-E. Okay? Okay, by seeing this, when Benjamin started swimming very fast, by seeing in the change how Benjamin swam, everyone were sitting there, no? They started shouting very loudly. Why? Because Benjamin was last. Now he was trying to go first. He was swimming so fast and everyone started encouraging him. Okay, why they encouraged? Because he was almost to reach first. Okay, dash. What is the meaning of dash here? It is the short tracks. For in the running race and all you have seen, no, the tracks will be like that only. In the swimming competition also the tracks were there. Okay. While his wife on the dock received such a shock, she fell in the lake with a splash. See here, when he was almost to reach the first, okay, at that time, when his wife saw the sudden change in his swimming, what his wife did was she was very much shocked. Why? Because he was last, now he is going to be first. So she was very much shocked and she fell into the lake. Okay, this competition was held in the lake. Seeing this, she was shocked and she fell in the water, in the lake. Okay, splash means if you throw any heavy thing in the water, at that time the water will come up. Okay, that is called as the splash. Okay, hope you have understood this poem. Yes, here you got a wonderful message also. If you are interested in any work, okay, if you work hard, then you will get a success. Okay, like this the thought of the writer, and she gave you the good suggestion and she gave you the good message also. Okay, hope you have understood this poem. So in the next class, I will give you the question answers of this poem. Before that, you just write down this glossary in your fair book. Okay, thank you.